If you're wondering just how simple the permanent jewellery process is, this is the challenge that we'll show you. With the LG Findings TIG Welder, you don't need prior welding experience to achieve flawless professional results. We put Lee to the ultimate test. How many permanent jewellery bracelets can he weld in just 1 minute? Get ready to be amazed. So what exactly is permanent jewellery? It's custom fitted welded jewellery designed to stay on without a clasp. Using high quality sterling silver, gold filled or solid gold chain, the piece is carefully measured, cut and seamlessly welded together right on the wrist. The result, a stunning, long-lasting bracelet with a seamless finish. And don't worry, welding while the jewellery is on the body is completely safe. The LG Findings Welder creates a tiny but powerful energy pulse that fuses the metal together without generating heat beyond the welding point. Plus, with proper protective eyewear and accessories, both you and your client are in good hands. Setting up your welding station is quick and easy. You'll need a few essential accessories like an argon gas bottle, pliers, protective eyewear, and of course, your choice of chain and connectors. The argon gas plays a key role in ensuring a clean, strong weld by preventing oxidization, so every bracelet is durable and beautifully finished. Permanent jewellery isn't just a trend, it's an exciting business opportunity. Whether you set up shop at craft markets or take bookings for special events, the possibilities are endless. And just like that, Lee is done. A total of 8 chains and connectors, quickly, safely, and beautifully welded on. Interested but not sure where to start? Cooksongold offers free demonstrations both online and in person to help you get hands-on experience with the LG Findings Welder before you invest. With the right training and tools, you'll be welding like a pro in no time.